on those notifications because you're going to need it throughout the day. Tornado watch still in effect for Nassau, Suffolk, Connecticut, Putnam, Westchester counties. We're picking up a little bit of rotation. Things have kind of sort of improved in spots, particularly north and west of the city right now. If you're in New Jersey, need to make a mad dash. If you could do so safely, do that. But multiple rounds of heavy rain is expected throughout the day. Flooding, a major threat. Expect hail, damaging winds. We talked about the potential for power outage. Kieran Dillon reported some confirmed power outages already. 1 to 4 inches of rain, locally higher amounts. You remember last week we had upwards of about 10 inches. Well, it's like a similar scenario that's been set up here for us. Central Parkway at a big deficit in terms of rainfall, over 3 inches. The same deal well over 4.5 inches in ice slips. So we need the rain. The only caveat is that we're getting it all in a short amount of time. For the month of July already, we are at a surplus. So we are moving in the right direction. Taking a look at our excessive rainfall. Highlighted in red, that is your enhanced risk. That means a whole lot of rain in a short amount of time could lead to flash flooding. We have now a slight risk in Suffolk County, as well as north and west of the city, Sullivan County, and just the western tip of Sussex there. And we anticipate a slight to marginal to even enhanced risk throughout the day. The waves of low pressure riding alongside this front, and this front is virtually going to almost stall out here, and that could mean a whole lot of rain just being thrown at us over and over and over again. This is the 2 o'clock hour. It looks like things are starting to wind down in spots, Sussex County, down in toward Hunterdon, Warren counties. But you know what? It's going to re-energize in spots, eastern end of Long Island, the last to get it. But we're tracking this lineup that could come through at around the 4 o'clock hour. But at the same time, could fizzle out depending on how things go. Just remember the threat is there throughout a good portion of the day. And just a friendly reminder, turn around, don't drown. 6 inches of fast moving water can knock over an adult. 12 inches of rushing water can carry away most cars, and 2 feet can carry away high-profile vehicles. And just keep in mind your lightning safety. I know sometimes you want to go out and just kind of see what's happening, or just go out and maybe visit a friend or something. Try to avoid it, especially when it comes to lightning. You want to stay inside the best you can, seek shelter. I know that there are some areas where there is a lull, especially in New Jersey. That's only if you really have to head out. I would just stay home for the good part of the day, pretty much the entire day. Temperature-wise, today's we're going to be in the 70s. We're going to stay in the 70s overnight. And we anticipate for our 7-day forecast, the heat and humidity to make a big comeback tomorrow. We anticipate a high of 90 degrees. Not as hot on Tuesday, but just keep in mind those heat indices climbing into the low to mid 90s when we have such heavy amount of moisture in the air. When you combine the heat and humidity, that's what you get. And then temperatures come down a bit, but the threat for more showers and thunderstorms in effect for Tuesday. Slight chance on Wednesday, less humid, and then Thursday a mixture of sun and clouds, and then we could possibly see some more showers and storms for your Friday. But we just got to get through today. And hopefully, you know, you guys just heed the warning and turn on those notifications. We'll send it back over to you, Kirsten.
All good advice.